Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the charming community of Wallacetown, nestled in the municipality of Dutton/Dunwich in Elgin County, Ontario. This quaint village offers a rich tapestry of history, natural beauty, and community spirit. One of Wallacetown's historical gems is the Bacchus Page House Museum. This beautifully restored 1850s Georgian-style house provides a glimpse into the past, showcasing period room settings and exhibits that tell the story of the Bacchus family and the rural communities of western Elgin County. The museum is surrounded by heritage gardens and scenic trails, making it a delightful spot for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Adjacent to the museum is the John East Pierce Provincial Park. This serene park offers visitors the chance to immerse themselves in nature, with trails that wind through lush forests and offer stunning views of Lake Erie. It's an ideal place for picnics, leisurely walks, and birdwatching. Whether you're exploring its historical sites, enjoying the natural parks, or participating in local traditions, Wallacetown offers a welcoming and enriching experience for all.
Thanks for watching!